Cataracts are a prevalent eye condition that impacts millions of individuals globally. This condition arises when the eye's lens becomes opaque, resulting in hazy vision and visual impairments. The development of cataracts can vary in speed from slow progression to rapid advancement, depending on the person. Symptoms of cataracts may encompass light sensitivity, double vision, and difficulty seeing in low light conditions. Treatments for cataracts range from wearing prescription glasses to undergoing surgical procedures aimed at removing the cloudy lens and substituting it with an artificial one. It is crucial to have regular visits with an eye specialist to keep track of the progression of cataracts and consider available treatment options.